kids! Welcome to another fun and exciting DIY adventure. Do you love playing with Play-Doh? It's so squishy and fun to mold into different shapes, isn't it? How about making your very own Play-Doh at home? Imagine all the cool things you can create with your own custom colors. It's super easy and loads of fun. Plus, you get to be a little scientist mixing all the ingredients together. Let's get started. First, you'll need these simple ingredients. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. These are all things you might already have in your kitchen. And don't forget the food coloring. This is what makes your Play-Doh look super cool and colorful. You can choose any colors you like. Maybe you want a rainbow of Play-Doh or just your favorite color. Ready? Let's begin. First, get a big bowl and put in the flour, salt, and cream of tartar. Make sure to measure everything carefully. This is like a fun science experiment. Give it a good mix. Stir it all together until it's well combined. Next, pour in the water and oil. This is where it starts to get a bit messy. But that's part of the fun. Stir it up until it's nice and smooth. You want to make sure there are no lumps. Now here's the fun part. Adding the food coloring. Add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. You can even mix colors to make it really cool. Stir it all together until the dough is evenly colored. This might take a bit of time, but it's worth it. Look at those beautiful colors. Now it's time to cook the dough. All right, it's time to cook. Remember, this part needs an adult's help. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Keep stirring and soon you'll see it thicken up. This is where the magic happens. The mixture will start to come together and form a ball. When it forms a ball, it's ready. Carefully take the dough out and let it cool down a bit. Once it's cool enough to touch, knead it with your hands until it feels just right. And there you go. You have your very own Play-Doh. You can make different colors and create all sorts of shapes and models. The only limit is your imagination. Think of all the fun things you can create. And remember, when you're done playing, store your Play-Doh in an airtight container to keep it fresh. So, what will you create today? Let your imagination run wild. Thanks for joining me to make Play-Doh. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY ideas. See you next time. Bye for now, and happy crafting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY ideas. See you next time.